Convert the improper fraction 17 by 3 into a mixed fraction. Let's learn. An improper fraction can be converted into a mixed fraction by long division. Let's divide 17 by 3 by long division, and look at what we get. 17 is the dividend, 3 is the divisor. We get 5 as the quotient, and 2 as the remainder. Now, the quotient becomes the whole number part of the fraction. The remainder becomes the numerator of the mixed fraction. And the divisor becomes the denominator of the mixed fraction. We get the mixed fraction 5, 2 by 3. "17 by 3, converted into a mixed fraction, equals 5, 2 by 3.